Welcome to Zoril. Today I am going to unbox Dizo Watch 2. Let's see around it. Some details of the product shown under the box. 4000 rupees is the maximum amount of the product, and I purchased the black color variant for 2000 rupees. Let's open the box. I have already unboxed the product when I get, but I want to show you the feeling of unboxing. Yeah, this is the watch. This is a watch too. We need to know what else inside the box. There is the magnetic charging cable and user manual. The watch looks similar to iWatch. The body of the watch is metallic and strap is silicone, so it provides a premium quality. 1.69-inch display is the main highlight of the product. Let's do the initial setup. First one is selecting the language. At the same time, we need to install Dizo Watch app from the Play Store and connect with the phone. You can see how sharp the screen because of it provides 600 nits of brightness. The functions of the watch is similar to all other smartwatches. We can check SpO2, heart rate and sleep tracking. The main other functions are workout mode, music control and notification access. There are 5 inbuilt watch faces. In addition, the mobile app provides 100 plus watch faces.